How to delete Tinder account. If any day you would like to delete your Tinder account because you are just being bored of using your Tinder account but do not know how to do it, then just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to launch the Tinder application on your mobile device. In order to do so, you have to go to the search section of your mobile device. After you go to the search section of your mobile device, you have to search Tinder out there. After you search Tinder out there, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on the very Tinder application. After you tap on the very Tinder application, you can see a home screen like this. Now you have to go to the very profile section of your Tinder application. In order to do though, you have to go on the very down section on the very right side and tap on the very Tinder application. After you tap on the very Tinder application, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the settings icon there. Now in order to go to the settings icon, you have to tap on the very top icon like this, which is the settings icon, and after you tap on that, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to scroll down until you find the option of delete the account. You have to scroll down to the last, and here you can see the option of delete the account. Now you have to tap on the option of delete the account. After you tap on the very delete the account, you can see two of the options out there: pause my account and delete my account. You have to tap on the option of delete my account. After you tap on the option of delete my account, you can see an interface like this. You can tap on any of those: I don't like Tinder, I have met someone, something is broken, I need a break from Tinder, I want a fresh start, or other. You can tap on any of those. If not, you can also go to the option of skip and tap on skip, and finally you can go to the option of delete my account, and after you tap on delete my account, your very Tinder account will be deleted. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.